to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using I Love PDF, follow these steps. 1. Make sure your laptop or computer is connected to the internet. 2. Open your web browser and go to the I Love PDF website at www.levep.com. 3. On the home page you'll see various tools. Look for the PDF to PowerPoint option and click on it. 4. Click on the Select PDF File button to upload your PDF. You can either drag and drop your file into the upload area or browse your computer to select the file. 5. After uploading, click on the Convert to PPTX button. I Love PDF will start converting your PDF into a PowerPoint presentation. 6. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be prompted to download the converted PowerPoint file. Click on the Download PowerPoint button to save it to your computer. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any special software other than access to the internet and your PDF file.